State's Concrete Patch provides a strong, long-lasting patching solution even in adverse conditions. Concrete Patch sets up quickly. The area you patch can be open to traffic in just 1 hour. You no longer need to carefully plan a time to allow 24 hours of set time, like you would with ordinary concrete. Once Concrete Patch sets, it will resist cracks and withstand vibrations. Its special Magfoss ingredient produces chemical action concrete, which is tougher and longer lasting than ordinary concrete. Concrete Patch can set up in damp and humid conditions, hot or cold. It can even set up in below freezing temperatures. So don't wait until spring to patch your concrete. Concrete Patch is simple to use. Just mix with water, apply, and allow just an hour for full setup. Concrete Patch is self-bonding and self-leveling, so it will take care of the rest. Ask your state representative about Concrete Patch and solve your parking lot and sidewalk woes the easy way. Concrete Patch, another great product by State Industrial Products, caring for work environments since 1911.